Welcome to another episode of What the Hell, the place where hard drives come to die. That's right, they die in my presence. So today I'm going to talk about how to properly get rid of your old hard drives. Now most people will be fine with just simply reformatting their hard drives or using a special software that will zero out their hard drives. But for those who are stickler or paranoid about their data like myself, the best way to do it is to actually physically destroy the hard drive. And the simplest way to do that is to open up the hard drive and destroy the disks inside. And the advantage of that is it's actually faster than formatting the hard drive, which could take several hours depending on how big your hard drive is. But if you physically destroy it, you could do it in a few minutes. Some people would be fine to simply just drill a hole through the hard drive without even opening it. But today I'm gonna open it just out of curiosity and just to show you what it looks like inside. So I've gone ahead and opened up two of these hard drives. So I removed the screws around the perimeter, and sometimes there'll be a screw in the center underneath the label, so you'll have to peel off the sticker, and there'll be a screw, or in this case, in this one, there's two of them that you need to remove. But it's simple to find out where the screw is by simply feeling where the indentation is, and then you just peel the sticker and unscrew it. So this one, and let me just power it up because it looks much funner. Looks cooler if it's running. Oh yeah, now it's spinning up. Now that's cool. So like I said, most people without even removing the cover will be fine with just simply taking a drill bit and drilling through this recording disc. And that's fine, that will work as well. And another method that I use is I would take while it's spinning, I will take like a sharp object like this pointed tweezer, and I would just press on the disc surface and scratch it to hell. Or I would take a piece of sandpaper and do the same thing, press on it and make sure that it's fully scratched, and that would totally destroy the hard disk. And at the same time, it will probably, most likely, it will destroy the reading head that I'm pointing at here, this part. Because that thing does not like to be scratched, and it's moving like that. That's cool. I also like to salvage the magnets, like over here, and the machine parts on the motor, because I think that's pretty cool. It's nice and shiny, and it's well machined. So maybe in the future I could use it for some other project. Also, if you're gonna take out the magnets, well, this one is not too bad. This one is actually smaller than the one I've removed before. But with the neodymium magnets, especially the big ones, you gotta be careful how you handle them, because sometimes they're so strong that you could easily pinch your finger when you slam the two magnets together. Like here's a bigger one that I've removed from an even older hard drive. It's easily twice the size. This one it takes a bit of force to take apart, to separate these two plates. So I have to be careful when I put it back together that I keep my fingers off, because it's gonna slam pretty hard. Like that. Pretty scary. But it's cool though. For the first time ever on YouTube, never been done before, I'm going to run all 4 hard drives with the case off. Should be pretty cool. That should easily get me 1 million views. Here we go. Now these hard drives are quite old, so they're very noisy. The bearings are probably worn out. Okay, that one's going berserk. That is cool. Now this one I've already removed the magnets, so it's the read-write arm swings freely. Now here's a good way to destroy a hard drive. Manually move the read-write heads across the disk. This one seems to be stuck. Oh yeah. I don't know if the camera picks up the scratchy noise. Now once you remove the cover from a hard drive, there's no way you could put it back together and expect it to perform as usual. Most likely it will show a new reallocated sector on if you check the smart status. So yeah, once it's opened up, it's pretty much done. I wish there was a way I could keep these in, or make an art out of them, like an artwork, because this is pretty cool. I just don't like that it's gathering up, taking up space. It's just sitting on a storage shelf, not doing anything. But those discs are so shiny. Okay, that's enough fooling around, and it's time to get some work done and scratch the hell out of this disc. So I'm just simply gonna use my sharp tweezer and scratch the discs. Oh yeah, that feels good. Do you think my data is still safe? I think not. Let's run across this disk. Oh yeah. Like an LP. Ooh, the read-write head doesn't like that one. It's resting right on the scratch. Oh yeah, that's sweet to the ear. Okay, let's make this one suffer. Oh yeah. Well, I think it's complaining. It's probably looking for my data and can't find it. I'd say that's That's good and well destroyed. So there you have it. That's the proper way to destroy your data. There's no way the CIA can recover that. And if I wanted to be more sure, I'll take off the hub over here, unscrew the screws that holds the hub, and take off the disc and scratch the opposite side. See, this disc is only one disc. This one is a 2-disc drive. That's a 2-disc drive. That's a 2-disc drive. Alright. Okay, YouTube. I hope you had fun as much as I did. Until next time. Bye.